Okay, so I wanted to give you a few tips on how I apply a label to a bucket. What I simply do is peel back the backing of the label a little bit, fold it, make sure it's nice and folded, and then you can start applying the label on that edge. Whether you're going to apply it horizontally or vertically, it doesn't matter. But I think that is the best method. Make sure you have it nice and straight, and when you get it nice and measured, you can measure while the bucket is in your caddy, and then take it out and start applying the label. It's up to you. It's usually like an inch from the edge of the bucket, depending on the bucket you have. In this case, I have a Yeti, so. But once you apply that, the border, use the squeegee that I sent you with your package, and you start flattening the label. Make sure you run the squeegee up and down. This is a big label, so you need to make sure you don't have any air bubbles. And then continue. The backing's going to peel off automatically because it's going to want to do that. And just keep going until you have it ready and nice and flat, and you see that there are no air bubbles. And that's it. You're ready to go. Put it back in your caddy and enjoy it. If you have any, if you need any help, contact me. Thanks.